Welcome to everyone. Welcome to English class. Today we'll discuss poem number 1, A Photograph of Standard 11th English. A Photograph is written by Sally Tolson. She was born on 20th May 1924 in England, and she was generally influenced to write by her father. Regarding the poem, the poetess has explained. The cardboard shows me how it was when two girls' cousins, went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and see the big girl, some 12 years or so, all three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera, a sweet face, my mother's that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, was their terribly transient feet. Here, the poetess described in the poem of Photograph, the poet Shelley depicts her mother as a child. The poet is looking at her mother's photograph that is supported by a cardboard. Here, cardboard stands for the frame that support and hold the photograph. The poet and her two girl cousins were seen standing on the beach. The two cousins, they are holding her mother's hand. At this time, the poet is just 12 years old. They were paddling, means walking through shallow water in bare feet. Here, big girls referred to mothers as she was the eldest among three girls. All the three girls are smiling. Their hair had fallen on their face as the breeze had blown them over. The photograph clicking by the mother's uncle shows the girls' innocent smiling faces where their hairs was flying over their face. The camera has captured some happy childhood moments of the poet's mother when she is gone for a sea holiday with her two cousins. The girls were paddling in the water and enjoying the moments. Time has moved on, but what has not changed over the years is the sea. It is immortal. It appears to be some today as it is forever in the sea. It is immortal. It appears to be same today as it looked in the old photograph. It also brings about the transient nature of a man when compared to nature and its objects. The pretty faces and the feet of the three girls are terribly transient or mortal when compared to unchangeable and immortal sea. पहला पैराग्राफ में सैली टोल्सन ने ये बताना चाहते हैं कैसे राइट पोएटेस जब उन्होंने बचपन में उनके दो कज़न के साथ वो सी बीच में हॉलीडे मनाने जाते थे, कैसे ब्यूटीफुली दे आर सेलिब्रेट दैट हॉलीडेज, और साथ साथ उनके अंकल वो फ़ोटोग्राफ लेते थे। और फोटोग्राफ शायद जब खूब कम उम्र था, 12-13 ईयर्स था जब उनका फ़ोटो लिया गया था, तब उनके दो कज़न सिस्टर उनके साथ में थे जो हमेशा उनका हाथ पकड़ के रखते थे। राइट, ये कब का फोटोग्राफ, जब पोएट का उम्र शायद 12 ईयर्स या 13 ईयर्स होगा, एंड देयर पैडलिंग मीन्स वो लोग पानी में चलते थे उस टाइम। दैट वाज अ वेरी बिग फनी मोमेंट फॉर देम। एंड तीनों जो गर्ल्स थे, सबसे बड़े उनकी जो राइटर थे, उनकी मतलब हवा चलने का बाल बिखर रहा था, और ये फ़ोटो जो स्माइलिंग फ़ोटो उनका अंकल लिए थे। एंड इन दिस वे दे हैज़ रिमेंबर देयर पास्ट टाइम। और ये भी बता रहे हैं कि जैसे सब कुछ चेंज हो चुका है, सब कुछ चेंज हो चुका है, जो चेंज नहीं हुआ है वो क्या है, दैट सी, बिकॉज सी इज़ इमोर्टल, दैट कैन नेवर बी चेंज्ड। नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ नंबर 2, some 20-30 years later, some 20-30 years later, she had laughed at the snapshot, see Betty and Dolly. She had said, and look how they dress us for the beach. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter, both way. with the levered ease of loss. In the second stage, the poet talks about the present time after 20 or 30 years later. When the photograph had taken, snapped, the mother looks at the photograph again only to realize that time has changed everything. कैसे समय सब कुछ बदल बदल देता है. Time has moved. The poet's mother was a girl of 12 or so when the photograph was taken. ये जो फोटोग्राफ लिया गया था तब पोएट का शायद उम्र 12-13 साल होगा. The camera has captured some happy childhood moments of the poet's mother when she has gone for a sea holiday with her two cousins. The name of their two cousins are Dolly and Patty. She laughed at the way all of them were dressed for the beach. She pointed out to others, perhaps they looked funny. This laugh indicated that the poet's mother enjoyed remembering her childhood days. She was young when she was young and free from the worries and adult life. The poet's loss referred to here is the loss of her mother's through death and her smile. The memories in each case were beautiful but painful to recall as time slipped away so easily. In the second stage, that poet talks about the present, मतलब वर्तमान के बारे में बता रहे हैं. After 20 or 30 years, when the photograph had been snapped, the mother looks at the photograph again only to realize that time has changed everything. ये जो फोटो लगभग जो 20-30 साल पहले लिया गया था, ये फोटोग्राफ से उनको अतीत के बारे में पता चलता है. वो खाली अतीत के बारे में रियलाइज़ करते हैं. She must be her 30s or 40s. She laughs and points out the dress which the girls were wearing. कैसे वो एक मतलब ड्रेस पहने थे, एक दूसरे को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे थे. द मैनर इन विच दे ड्रेस फॉर द बीच शी नाउ बिकम नक्सली मीन्स दैट इज अ ट्रेजेडिक सिचुएशन. शी देन काउंसल्स हर सेल्फ एंड फील्स दैट दिस वॉज द थिंग ऑफ द पास्ट. अभी मदर वो पुरानी ज़माने को याद कर रहे हैं जो ये फ़ोटो शायद 20-30 साल पहले लिया गया था. दैट वॉज ऑल्सो स्नेड बाय his uncle, mother's uncle. That time indicate that past which always past that cannot be what recall again. Only we can recall the past, but we cannot predict or change the past. जो अतीत हो चुका है उसको हम चेंज नहीं कर पाएंगे, लेकिन उसके बारे में याद कर सकते हैं. जो बीत चुका है उसको कभी वापस नहीं किया जा सकते, खास करके जो चाइल्डहुड डेज. Now, author's mother Yaching is stipulated as she has lost her childhood days when जब वो अपनी टू कजिन एक डोली और बेटी के साथ सी बीच में क्या क्या एंजॉय कर रहे थे. एवरी हॉलीडे दे हैव सेलिब्रेटेड इन सी बीच. दैट इंडिकेट दे आर द लवर ऑफ स्विमिंग और दे आर द लवर ऑफ नेचर्स. दैट इज़ वाई इन एवरी हॉलीडे दे हैव प्लान टू सेलिब्रेट or plan to celebrate their holidays in sea beach or at sea beach. Now third paragraph. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of this circumstance there is nothing to say at all. It's silence. Silence. Now here the poetess has described that things have now changed. The poet remembers the laughter of her mother. अभी सब कुछ बदल चुका है, अब कुछ नहीं है. Everything is finished. The poet is only remember the laughter of her mother. Her mother is no more. आज उनके मम्मी उनके साथ नहीं है, पर रहा तो क्या रहा है, but her laughter lingers on. These circumstances refers to the death of the poet's mother. Whenever she saw at the photograph of her mother, she becomes sad, as the photograph brings sad feelings. जब कभी वो फोटो को देखते थे तब उनकी मम्मी का बीता हुआ क्या कल याद आ रहा था, और फोटो देख के उनको कोई फिर मतलब क्या कि एक्साइटमेंट नहीं हो रहा था, बट शी फील वेरी सैड आफ्टर सीइंग द फोटोग्राफ. शी गेट्स लॉस्ट इन द old sweet memories of the past, because only past what, it provides feelings in our mind, it brings sad as well as happiness in our mind, but she cannot do anything about it now. Presently we cannot change anything, past already past, but only we can recall our memories what was happened in past, but we cannot change anything in presently. She has nothing to say at all about it, the mountains, silence, and the silence leads to the deeper of the seal. Lastly, when poet realizes that she cannot do anything, she cannot change the past, past already past, but presently only she can recall that the past things. So that is why she decided to maintain silence, only silence, that leads to a deeper silence, because things have now changed. The poet remembered the laughter of her mother. Her mother is no more, but her laughter lingers on. Though the sea holiday belongs to the past, what belongs to her in the present time are sweet memories. जो अतीत में उन्होंने जो सी बीच में और सी हॉलीडे कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया है, वो खाली उनको अभी याद आता है जो अतीत में हो चुका है. And she longs for the joys of her mother's company. Nevertheless, she has now learned to adjust with the loss of the joys of her mother's company. And lastly, the third stage, what is indicate the third stage of the poet misses her mother now that she is no more. It is surrounded with nothing but emptiness. अभी खाली सुनापन है. Only she can recall the past when she what observed the photograph, the snapshot which was taken by mother's uncle. That was a witness. That was also recall the sweet memories of the past. But poet cannot do anything. She cannot do anything about it now. She has nothing to say at all about it. शी ओनली मेंटेन द साइलेंस, एंड साइलेंस दिस टू डीपर. उनको कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं, खाली उनको क्या कि अतीत को याद करने के सिवा उनके पास कोई चारा नहीं है. In short, let me that here the poet has described. The poem total poem is divided into three stages. In the first stage, the poet's mother is standing at the beach enjoying her holiday with her two girls cousins. She was 12 years old. In the second stage, about 20 to 30 years later, the poet describes her mother laughing at her two cousins' dress off for the beach holidays. But in the third stage, the poet remembers her mother with a heavy heart. That means three different stages described three manners. That what the good memories of childhood days, and what is the memories of adulthood as, and what were the sad things when a person is passed. This is about a photograph. Thank you everyone.